Hello everyone, I'm excited to share that I've officially launched my new Udemy course, Moodle Administration 5.2 full course. After 9 plus years of working with Moodle and helping organizations build and manage successful LMS platforms, I've packed my practical experience into this comprehensive course. To celebrate the launch, I'm offering a special launch discount for a limited time. The link is in the description. This special offer expires in just a few days. Join now to advance your career and unlock better opportunities. Hope to see you inside the course soon.